Witness the art of extraction as a vibrant yellow mineral emerges from rugged stone with meticulous precision and passion. Observe a diligent preparatory moment, where safety meets curiosity, unveiling a vivid blue crystal embedded within the earth. Delve into extreme macro details as a vivid blue crystal cluster captivates with its luminous, intricate patterns. Marvel at the precise extraction and careful examination of a stunning blue crystal, revealing nature's hidden artistry. Discover rare beauty in extreme close-ups, where orange and green minerals resemble ancient fossils in nature's lab. Experience the thrill of discovery as hands extract colorful agate nodules, each stone telling a natural story. Admire polished agate nodules showcased with deliberate lighting, accentuating translucent hues and timeless geological wonder. A red gemstone emerges under focused light, its vibrant color and texture unveiling secrets of Earth's deep treasures. Witness the cleansing ritual of a red crystal formation, where water and light reveal hidden clarity within rocky confines. Behold the extraction of a grand clear crystal with green inclusions, a testament to nature's intricate architecture. Inspect a translucent agate specimen highlighted by green and orange inclusions, offering a window into Earth's secrets. Engage with the discovery phase as a finger points out striking yellow and blue mineral deposits amid moist soil. Follow the excavation as a tool unearths vibrant orange and blue agate stones, illuminating geological narratives. Observe gentle rotations of a polished agate, revealing intricate patterns and translucence that captivate the curious mind. Experience the final display as a yellow-orange agate sparkles in hand, symbolizing the journey of discovery and wonder.
哦，这个漂亮。这个，哇，哎呦，哇塞！哎呀，哎，哎，哎，哎，嘿，哦塞！哇哈哈！哇！我的，我的，我的，我的，哎呦，吼吼吼！哎呀，哎，这个好硬啊，这个。哦吼，掉下来。哦，哦，哇！哇！ Oh, sí. Wow,